Most workflows are built as a straight line. Trigger, step, step, done. But real work isn't a straight line. It makes decisions. FlowMattic gives you 4 ways to add them. Let's go from smallest to biggest. The smallest one is built into every single step. Here's a simple workflow. Every new order sends a thank you email. Open the email step, head to Conditions, and tick Execute this step only if conditions meet. One rule: customer tier equals VIP. Now that email only goes to VIPs, and the rest of the workflow carries on regardless. Next up, filter, a gate for the entire run. Hit the plus right after the trigger and grab Filter by FlowMattic. Pick Continue if condition meet and set your rule. Order total over 50. If the rule is true, the workflow continues. If it isn't, the run stops right there. There's an exit if condition meet too, for when it's easier to describe what you want to reject. Small orders never touch another step. They're gone before they cost you anything. Now branch. A filter stops, a branch chooses. Add branch by FlowMattic, choose Evaluate Condition, and your workflow splits in 2. The rule lives inside the branch itself. Total greater than 500. Yes, a concierge invoice from PDF Builder. No, the standard receipt. Both paths are real workflows. Each one keeps going on its own. And when 2 paths aren't enough, router. A router gives you as many routes as you need, each with its own conditions. Card payments here, bank transfers there, everything else down the fallback route. One event in, the right route out, every time. So, conditions for 1 step, filter to stop, branch for 2 paths, router for many. That's the difference between a workflow that runs and one that actually thinks. Go give your workflow a decision to make. And subscribe, because next, we put your automations on autopilot.